Hey everyone, I have a very exciting unboxing for you. Today I will be unboxing my very first Hermes bag. If you have been following me, I have been on a little bit of an Hermes journey. I posted a wishlist video talking about my bags that I wanted this year, and I did have one Hermes bag on my list. So here it is. Let me back up here. I have an Hermes bag. If you have been following my recent videos, I unboxed my blanket and pillow back there, a scarf, a few other little things. I actually have some other things that I need to show you, but this came my way and I'm very excited. So I just wanted to show you what it is. Oh, they also included some little catalogs. Here is the spring summer. My essay gave me this La Maison, and so I guess it's the home stuff. So yeah, I'll show this on my Instagram later. Yeah, a few little extra goodies. So yeah, what do you guys think is in this big box here? So before I unbox it, let me know in the comments. Take a guess what you think this is, and I will tell you that you are wrong, because it is not a bag that I mentioned in any of my previous videos. So I'll just go ahead and unbox it now. This is a true unboxing. I just got back from the boutique today. So let's go ahead and open it. I got the Hermes grooming bag. You guys. Oh my God, I love this. I posted something on my Instagram asking if whatever tote bag, I asked if it would make a good diaper bag. And someone, I don't remember her name, but she was super helpful, and she was like, why don't you look at the Hermes grooming bag? This makes a great diaper bag because look at it. It has all these pockets in the front, on the side pocket, this. And then it has this removable interior pouch that is washable, wipeable, and it has other pockets inside here. So I will take out all this packaging. Here's the interior. It has more pockets. You've got a zip pocket right up there. And then on both sides, you have this kind of almost like a water bottle pocket. I mean, how convenient, how practical. And it has a detachable shoulder strap, like one long shoulder strap. So I mean, how practical is this? So I'll clip it on here, and there you go. So unfortunately, the shoulder strap isn't adjustable, but it's pretty short. How convenient. I love pockets. You know, all these tote bags that I love the Dior book tote and the Chanel Deauville. They have no pockets. They're just a straight up tote bag, like a book tote. But this is the Hermes grooming bag. And this was literally meant to carry brushes, shampoos, I don't know, oils, whatever equestrians use to groom horses, right? It's made of a really durable canvas. Oh my God, and I love the color. I love the navy with the dark brown nylon straps. Here's the bottom. And because it's an equestrian bag, it really is meant to be durable. It has these snaps on the side, so it snaps so it's not as wide. But look how cute. And then it's instantly a little bit smaller, and then the pockets kind of stick out. Ah, how cute. It's on the heavy side for a canvas bag, but obviously if this were leather, it would be a lot heavier. Oh my God, I love this bag. So here, I'll try it on for you guys. So this is it. I don't know if you can even see it. That's it right there. I'll unsnap it so you can see how wide it is. So this is it at the widest length. These straps are pretty, yeah, okay. That's it. So it can fit over my shoulder. It's kind of a tight fit, but I guess this is really meant to be worn top handles, but I can definitely fit it over my shoulder. And because it's like a flexible nylon, it's not the rolled hard handles that kind of stick out and get really annoying. So this is super comfortable. And then here is the shoulder strap. Oh my God, so cute, super convenient. This is such my style of a bag. This is just what I need. I need to carry. I have 3 kids. One of them is still in diapers now. I carry water bottles, sippy cups with me, diapers, wipes, and this just is so great. And I love this little orange peeking out, the orange lining. Oh yeah, it's a drawstring, so you can even tighten it if you need to. This is like, why have people been sleeping on this bag? I have never heard of this until someone DM'd me and told me to consider this as a diaper bag, and it's great. If I knew about this, I would have gotten this way sooner. This retails for $2,100, which $2,100 is pretty pricey for a bag, for a diaper bag. But for an Hermes bag, this is less than a garden party tote, way less than a Birkin, way less than a Kelly. I just love this. This is so exciting, and it matches perfectly with my style. So yeah, the Hermes grooming bag. This does come in a different color, gray felt, with a darker gray, darker gray straps, which, I mean, I like it, but this matches with more of my stuff. And I like the material better than the felt. I feel like felt would attract lint and stuff. But yeah, my new diaper bag. So cute. So that is my very first Hermes bag unboxing. Probably not what you expected. It is obviously not a Birkin or Kelly, but I really like it. I'm so excited to start using this. I will definitely take more pictures. I'll do a what's in my bag because I think it's so unique the way this is designed. It's so practical. Look, you got pockets on pockets on pockets all around the outside, and then inside you have this really cool interior liner, and then the lining of the bag itself is also that bright orange, which I love. I'm not necessarily a huge fan of Hermes orange, but I like that the lining is a brighter color. It's a lot easier to find, what you need. So yeah, so I'll do another what's in my bag showing how I pack my Hermes grooming bag. Let me know if you have ever heard of this, and if you are now considering this, if you're in the market for a huge tote. I think this would be a great work bag. It's obviously not, dressy, but I mean, it's okay. The Hermes, it's pretty discreet. It's not screaming logos everywhere. The back is very plain. It has a shoulder strap. Oh, I love it. So, all right, well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to catch you in my next video. Bye.